Welcome to my travel fellow. Today we're taking you on a virtual journey to the breathtaking Maldives. Hello everyone. Today we're exploring the mesmerizing beauty of the Maldives, a tropical paradise like no other. With its crystal clear turquoise waters, pristine white sandy beaches, and luxurious overwater bungalows, the Maldives is the ultimate destination for relaxation and indulgence. Whether you're an adventure seeker or just want to unwind, the Maldives has something for everyone. From thrilling water sports like snorkeling and diving to serene activities like paddleboarding, there's no shortage of ways to make unforgettable memories here. But it's not just about the scenery, it's also about the people and culture. The Maldivian people are warm, friendly, and welcoming, and their rich culture and traditions add another layer of depth to this paradise. And let's not forget about the food. Indulge in mouth-watering Maldivian cuisine, with fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and flavorful spices, tantalizing your taste buds at every meal. And of course, no trip to the Maldives would be complete without experiencing its legendary sunsets. Picture-perfect moments that will stay with you long after you've left this island paradise. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your dream vacation to the Maldives today and experience the magic for yourself. Here are 5 tips for traveling to the Maldives. Plan your budget. The Maldives can be expensive, so plan your budget carefully. Look for all-inclusive packages or budget accommodations if you're on a tight budget. Pack wisely. Pack light, but don't forget essentials like sunscreen, insect repellent, and a reusable water bottle. Also, pack appropriate clothing for the hot and humid weather, including swimwear and breathable fabrics. Explore beyond the resort. While the resorts offer luxury and relaxation, consider exploring local islands to experience Maldivian culture and cuisine. Remember to respect local customs and dress modestly when visiting inhabited islands. Snorkeling and diving. The Maldives is renowned for its pristine waters and vibrant marine life. Don't miss the opportunity to snorkel or dive in the crystal-clear lagoons to encounter colorful coral reefs, turtles, and exotic fish. Respect the environment. Help preserve the Maldives' natural beauty by practicing responsible tourism. Avoid touching or damaging coral reefs, dispose of waste properly, and choose eco-friendly tour operators and accommodations whenever possible. Thank you for watching my Travel Fellow informational video.